If you're looking for a nice little hot rod with a little bit of luxury, come down and check out this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. It's got the HEMI in it. It's even got a choppy little Aftermarket Performance Cam. It's got that brown interior everybody's looking for. A little bit of carbon fiber trim for accents. It's got the digital gauge cluster, which is fantastic. Leather wrapped steering wheel, hand controls, cruise control, lane assist, push button start, different drive modules you can drive in. It's got the big Uconnect radio, navigation, color backup camera. It's got a panoramic moonroof. In the back you got plenty of room for passengers. Fold down armrest with a couple cup holders. And you got your factory subwoofer with the 12-volt plug-in also. And there's your HEMI. Come down and level up with us today.